Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Sheikh Faizan and today's date is 12 February 2024 and today's my technical topic is conditional statement in Java programming language. First of all, what are the conditional statements? Conditional statements are used to control the flow of the program as per our need. In Java, there are basically three types of conditional statement. First is if-else statement, and second is if-else ladder statement, and third one is the nested if-else. I will discuss one by one three of statement. Firstly, if-else statement. If-else statement is used to check the condition of the particular statement or the block of the code. When the condition is true, then the if block of the code is executed, and else condition is false, then the next part, that is the else part of the code, will be executed. It is the if else statement. When we require the one condition check, then we can use the if else statement. And next is if else ladder. If else ladder mostly when we use when the we want to check the multiple condition of the particular code or the code of the block. For example, we need to check the multiple condition of the particular code, then we can use if else multiple times, and last one is the else part. When the all of the above condition is also false, then the last else part will be executed. It is the if else ladder statement, and it is the one of the type of conditional statement. And next is third one, that is the nested if else. Nested if else, when we use the condition inside the condition, then we can use the nested if else. For example, we want to check the condition and again to check the condition in the outer condition. But in nested if else, if the condition of the outer block is true, then the inner block of the code will be checked. If the outer block of the code is false, then the inner code not will be checked. It is the nested if else statement. Then I will discuss where are the use the conditional statement, and what is the main purpose of the use of the conditional statement. First is the looping statement. In looping statement, the first looping statement is the initialization, and next one is the condition. In this condition, we can use the if conditional statement for the condition. If the condition is true, then looping of the loop iteration will be executed, and if the condition is false, then the loop is break. uh, Inside loop we can use the conditional statement. And again one example of the conditional statement is the ternary operator. In ternary operator, it is the one of the example of the conditional statement. In this statement, we can check the one condition of the particular code. If you want to check the particular two variable, for example variable a and variable b, then we can use the ternary operator. By using ternary operator, we can achieve the as per the conditional statement. It is the one of the example of the conditional statement. And other example, in our program, we can use the conditional statement at the particular uh, code or the particular block of the code. For example, we want to check the leap year, then we can give the condition for the leap year. and if the particular given data is matched to the condition, then the given years is the leap year, else this is the not leap year. It is the one of the example of the conditional statement. And again we can use the various portion of the code conditional statement. And conditional statement is mostly used for the control the flow of the execution of the program when as per the our need. So it is the all about the conditional statement in Java programming language. Thank you.